Hi friends, can you believe it's almost November? First of all, let me apologize for having this report out a little late. I wanted to hold off until after the Bank of Canada rate decision yesterday, since I suspected it might be a good one, and indeed it was. This was the key line. The recent increase in CPI inflation was anticipated in July, but the main forces pushing up prices, higher energy prices, and pandemic-related supply bottlenecks now appear to be stronger and more persistent than expected. Although they kept the rates the same, their language was enough to cause a sell-off in global equities as investors around the world had to wonder if other central banks had underappreciated this dynamic. And it caused rates to jump, which means we will likely see a big increase in fixed mortgage rates in the coming weeks. What does that mean to a seller? Rates are going to rise, which will soften prices. Rates and home prices don't move in the same direction. So if you were thinking of holding off until the spring, it might be smarter to list now. What does it mean for a buyer? We will see a decline of buyers because once the rates do rise and the people that are locked in with rates buy, it's only stands to reason that we will have less buyers. If I were a buyer, I would get on buying a home ASAP. No matter how much the home prices soften, the interest rates are always our key dynamic. So what's happened in the last few months? We've had about a 30% decrease in new listings. We've had about a 30% decrease in sales, but our prices are still going up. So we had an increase in the first quarter of the year. I would say we had between a 35 and 45% increase in rates, and I think we've seen another 10% since June. So that's what it looks like. You'd be surprised at what your homes are worth at this moment. So having said all that, it's still a really great time to sell. It's still a really great time to buy. Everything is just hunky-dory for now. I'm not 100% sure what we're going to see coming in the future. However, if you want to have a conversation, if you want to sit down and hash some of this out, please call us 705-739-4455 or email us at info@peggyhill.com. I'll see you again next month.